Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good with your studies. In your preparation journey, you are having that confidence within you. So yes, let's quickly learn about rule of 5 in relation to age estimation of a fetus brought for autopsy. Rule of 5 was given by Hasse's and Morrison's. So what is the rule of 5 is? For the first 5 months of pregnancy, age of a fetus in months will be equal to square root of crown heel length in centimeter. Crown heel length. Okay. So suppose crown heel length came out to be 25 centimeter. What will be the tentative age of the fetus? 5 months. This is the applicability. The cutoff length, crown heel length, 25 tells us that I will do a square root. The moment the crown heel length is more than 25, what we have to do is divide it by 5. So what is recommended in this rule is for the next 5 months of pregnancy, means when the crown heel length is more than 25, what you have to do is just divide crown heel length in centimeters by 5. So suppose the crown heel length was 35 centimeter. What will be the age of the fetus? You know the answer, 7 months. This much of mathematics we medicos can always do. So rule of Hasse is used to estimate age of a fetus. Then also remember there is a word called crown rump length. From the crown to the rump. Rump means the lowermost part of the back area, natal cleft area. So that length is called crown rump length. Medico-legally, crown rump length is more significant because there are individual variations in lower limb length. Crown heel length means we are taking the measurement till heel, and individual variations होते हैं with respect to the age of the pregnancy. So that is why crown rump length is fixed. At a particular age, crown rump length is fixed. So that is why it is more medico-legally significant. And crown rump length on an average is 2/3, 2/3 of crown heel length. Okay. So stay tuned for more such updates. Bye bye.